Hello everyone, welcome to the Affordable Poster online trading course. In this episode, I will show you how to do the factory reset. When your poster is not working well and you have tried to reset the configuration such as the ICFGX and also the SCF file, and you still cannot fix this problem, and then you probably need to consider the factory reset, then to do the configuration file setup again. So here I would like to show you how to do the factory reset. At the back side of the poster, we have the controller box. Loosen the screws, we have 2 screws. And then we can see the controller. Near the LED lamps, we have a small button, a black button. This is for the factory reset. Use your finger to press it like 5 to 10 seconds. Then you hear the click, that means the factory reset is done.